Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. I am happy that you chose my video to watch. I appreciate you very much. Fun video eyeshadow look today. Take your palettes out and let us have some makeup fun. I am grateful. I am at peace. I am loved. What is your I am for today? What I am thankful for today? I am thankful for being a better person today than I was yesterday. I am thankful for being a better person today than I was yesterday. Today's encouraging word is I no longer judge or criticize myself. I no longer judge or criticize myself. If you are judging yourself or criticizing yourself for something or someone, please stop. It is doing nothing for you except bringing your self-esteem to a lower level. I am just going over this because I forgot to press record. The only way you can start helping yourself from criticizing yourself and making sure that you don't judge yourself is to forgive yourself. You want to forgive yourself. I forgive myself for judging me. I forgive myself for judging and criticizing me. Start with that. And every time you find yourself criticizing you, please remember to forgive yourself. Because if you judge yourself, it won't just disappear. But if every time you find you judging yourself and you forgive yourself, it will get better with time. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. If you are sick with any ailment, mental illness or anything else, please seek help. Ask for help. Help is available. Do not suffer in silence. Do not hurt yourself or someone else. Do not dim your light for another. And never, ever, 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 ever give up on yourself. Keep rising. Keep rising. Today's look. Easy, simple eyeshadow look you can duplicate. Thank you all again for watching. If you like this video, please share it with someone else. I will see you shortly. Bye. Bye.